Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my Sunday routine. This is my routine that helps me prepare for the week ahead. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get started. First thing I do to start my Sunday routine is to start my wash day routine. Next, I take the time to clean my apartment. Starting with my bedroom, I change my bed sheets, clean up my room, and maybe do some laundry if I need to. Having a clean apartment prevents me from stressing out from the clutter, and it motivates me to take on the week ahead. Moving on to my living room, after tidying the room, I vacuum and clean any surfaces, such as the dining room table. This table also serves as my study space, so it's important for me to keep the area clean and clutter-free. In the kitchen, I'll empty the dishwasher and dump the trash cans. Lastly, I clean the bathroom. This is especially important to do after wash day because my hair gets everywhere. The next part of my Sunday routine is meal prepping. I like to meal prep my lunches, dinner, and snacks for the week. This is my least favorite part of my Sunday routine, but having this done makes my week go by so smoothly. And lastly, I do my planning for the week. I start by drawing out my class schedule on my whiteboard, then I like to go over my bullet journal and review my schedule for the week and make any changes as necessary. Alright guys, that's it for my Sunday routine. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!